everyone, welcome to Keto Upgrade. My name's Alicia and I'm a sous chef with a sweet tooth. Now what does that mean exactly? I am a sous chef at a country club, but I've kind of moved into that position. I started off as a pastry chef. I went to school to make cakes and pastries, but here where I live in Buffalo, pastry jobs are very few and far between. I had a couple when I was younger, but I fell on hard times. I had to get a job. I went to line cooking and I worked my way up from there at a couple different jobs. But my goal here on this channel, it was kind of started out of boredom because we were all quarantined and had nothing to do. I've always been on a diet and I researched the keto diet and found that I could still have desserts on keto if they were made with these different sweeteners that I had never heard of before. And I was really interested in, and I started doing research. I started making some recipes that I found online, and they were all decent recipes, but I thought that I could upgrade them with my pastry knowledge and maybe bring them to you guys. And that's my goal with this channel, is bringing you pastry shop quality desserts at home and showing you exactly step by step how to make these desserts so that they come out exactly the way that they are supposed to turn out. That's why my videos may be a little bit longer, but I'm committed to help you guys make these desserts taste, look, and feel like real pastries, not keto pastries. So my whole thing is I want to feel like I'm eating my pastries from back in the day when I made them at pastry school, because I am a sugar-aholic. Like, I love sugar. That's why I went into pastries, because I liked more sweets than I did actual food. And I even told people that when I went to pastry school. Why are you going to pastry school? Why don't you do culinary, where you do culinary and pastries? Best of both worlds. I'm like, I just want pastries. I just want desserts. And I think that's one of the struggles I had with all the other diets. I felt deprived. I didn't have my sweets. I felt like I was missing out on stuff. And I did great on diets and I would lose a ton of weight, but then I would just gain it all back. Now I can have my treats at home. I can go out to a restaurant, eat a burger patty on a salad or whatever, what have you. Yeah, I can't have the desserts there, but I know I have desserts at home waiting for me because I'm committed to it. I do love doing keto and I hope to stick with it for the long haul. And I hope to help you stick to it for the long haul. These are all my recipes I've compiled here. I'm coming up with more. I'm experimenting with cream puffs, like all the stuff that I used to make back in pastry school. I want to make the best keto version possible for you guys to enjoy, and of course for me to enjoy also. But that is why I am doing this channel. And I hope you guys join me here on a keto journey to a healthier lifestyle. I feel so much better on keto. And I don't want to go back to feeling gross, bloated, stomach aches every morning. I think I have some kind of gluten intolerance. I've never been tested. But I feel so much better. And it's not just losing weight, because I'm losing weight very slowly because I do work in a kitchen and it's really hard to not eat even though I'm not hungry. It's there, I want it. But, the weight's getting off slowly, but I feel good. I have energy. I'm not tired. I'm not bloated. And I just want people to find this diet and learn what it is and be able to stick with it for the long haul. And I'm hoping that my dessert recipes will help you guys. So I will be here for the long haul also. I'm trying to put up a video every week. I might miss one here or there. I'm going to be moving soon, so I might be a little busy, but I'm going to get right back on it and I'm not going to just go away. I'm going to keep doing recipe testings for you guys. So I hope to see you guys for many years to come. Bye, guys.